Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall cuDNN from local installs step by step clearly. To uninstall cuDNN from your local installation, begin by locating the directory where cuDNN is installed. This is typically within the CUDA directory, often found at c:/program files /NVIDIA GPU computing toolkit /CUDA /VXX.x. Navigate to the lib folder within the CUDA directory. In the lib folder, identify the files related to cuDNN. These files usually include cuDNN.dll, cuDNN.h, and cuDNN.lib. Highlight these files and select Delete to remove them from the directory. Next, proceed to the Include folder within the CUDA directory. Search for the cuDNN.h file in the Include folder. Once found, delete the cuDNN.h file as well. After deleting these files, open the environment variables settings on your computer. You can do this by searching for environment variables in the Windows search bar. In the environment variables window, look for any entries related to cuDNN within the path variable. Select the path variable and click on Edit. Remove any paths that reference cuDNN. Next, check for any additional settings or references to cuDNN in your project or IDE configuration. Adjust these settings accordingly to avoid any references to the uninstalled cuDNN. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. You have now successfully uninstalled cuDNN from your local installation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.